Children, today we are going to begin with a new lesson from your book Vistas. Evans tries the O level. Evans is a kleptomaniac and he has fled from the prison thrice earlier. This time, how does he escape from the prison? We shall be studying in this chapter. Do go through the YouTube link very carefully and then understand the lesson. So, children, coming to the summary of the story Evans tries an O level is the story of a prisoner whose name is Evans. He is a kleptomaniac and he has escaped prison thrice in the past. The jail authorities have nicknamed him Evans the Break. Why Evans the Break? Because he keeps running out of prison. Now, while at the prison, he is lodged in the heavily guarded Oxford prison under the surveillance of the governor. He wants to learn German, and so a tutor has been appointed to teach him. Evans befriends, he makes friends with the tutor to reach out to his friends who will once again help him to escape from the prison. So when he says that he has to learn German, he's given a tutor for the same, and after 6 months of coaching, Evans is ready to sit for the O-level examination in the German language. Keeping his past record in mind, the jail authorities they ensure maximum security arrangements for the examination that had to be conducted for Evans. So, on the day before the exam, his bunk is thoroughly checked up. That is, his cell is thoroughly checked up. A phone receiver is installed in the room so that the governor can listen to any kind of conversation that takes place between Evans and the invigilator who would come to give him the O level exam in the German language. So, all the necessary arrangements were made because they had to ensure that he should not run away from prison once again. The invigilator, children, McLeary, a parson, is searched and then he is let into the cell. The security officer keeps a close guard and peeps into the cell every second minute to ensure that things are all in place. There is a call from the examination office for a correction in the paper, which the prison authorities later come to know was from Evans' friends who wanted to know the exact time of the commencement of the exam and also give him an encrypted clue from the question paper for his escape. So initially they thought it was a correction, so they let the correction go in to the cell to Evans, from which he got the clue where he had to run, where he had to escape, and where he had to stay. For the authorities at the prison, the exam went on very peacefully, and it was only after the invigilator leaves that the security officer, upon rechecking the room, finds an injured invigilator. And he believed that Evans' story that Evans had hurt him and fled the prison. They come to know that the real McLeary had been tied up at his home and that the invigilator was an impersonator. The governor himself deciphers the clue in the paper as per the talks he had overheard in the cell and reaches the hotel where Evans is staying. Evans surrenders to the governor and sits in the prison van, which is a part of his backup plan. As they drive, the prison officer, who is actually a friend of Evans, unlocks his handcuffs and they ask the driver to drive fast. So, once again, Evans flees from the prison and has his last laugh. Now, children, coming to a list of difficult words from the lesson. Kleptomaniac. Who's the kleptomaniac? A person who has the inability to refrain from the urge to steal items. Congenital, a disease or abnormality present from birth, that you have from birth. Parson is a priest. Incommunicado, not able or allowed to communicate with people. Next, reiterated Say something again or a number of times. Grubby, that is covered with dirt. Burly, large and strong. And surly, bad tempered. Next, curtly, rudely brief or abrupt. Smoldered, to show anger or hatred. Leered, looked in an unpleasant way. Loathed, feel intense hate, dislike or hatred. Next, lathering, spreading a substance thickly or liberally. Riveted, fixed, amiable, friendly, demeanor, outward behavior. I hope all of you have liked and understood the chapter well. Do go through the PDF text also from your textbooks. In case of any doubts or queries, you can post in the comment section of the Google Classroom. Till then, stay safe. God bless you all.